Hey, Merry Christmas. And we're on break right now, but there's still a solo project to do. So I've been working on it for about a day. And let me show you what I have so far. Okay, so this is my database. This is the back end that I built with Rails. And just starting with MVP is going to have two tables, a users table that only holds a name, and a scores table. It's a game, so I'm going to show you in a second. That just holds the score, which is attached to the user by reference over here to user ID. And I'll show you the back end to that. Over here, here's just some sample data. And let me show you the front end now. So I found a typing test made by Adam Schwartz, and here's his GitHub repository. I reformatted it so that's more like a game geared towards coding. So this is what the original looked like, and then I'm just formatting it so it's more like a game. And I switched out English words for common programming keywords. And then I'm going to add functionality to connect it to the backend database so that we can store users' high scores. So I'm going to just go through it a little bit, and you can see how it works. So right now it doesn't store this information, so I have to build out that functionality. I'm probably going to build out a form in place of this as soon as the game completes, and then you can submit. You can type a username, and then this would be a submit button. That'll send information to the backend, and then once we have that information, then I'll add a leaderboard and then display the leaderboard. But okay, so I've added music, and I can now make a post request to this database whenever I have a new score. So let me show you. Okay, let's reset. And we'll play the game. Should step down, move. All right, so I'm gonna enter my name. Yeah, the submit field looks kind of ugly, but I can always add CSS later. So I'm gonna submit, and in console log, I should have a console log that says posted to database. Yes, I do. All right, so let's go over and check my database, see if that's true. Equals 3000 API, 1 users. I had 2 games, now I should have 3. Yeah, there's the 3, I see it. Well, okay, there we go. So this is the new score. Score 567,300. Let's confirm. 567,300. It went. Yeah, so it went through. So it's the day after Christmas, and I've been up since 5 a.m. because I couldn't sleep. I had some ideas that I needed to implement for the project. Yeah, so I have the leaderboard now up and running. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so let's go through the game again. Oh, oops, is it talking? So go through the game again, and then I'll show you at the end what the layout looks like in the leaderboard. So there's the leaderboard. Took some math to figure that out, but yeah, and this is all persisting to the back. That's what I have so far. Next thing I'm going to do is add a comments area. It'll probably be on the right hand side, and I think that'll be it for this project.